What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online with ChatGPT with one of the easiest side hustles that I've ever seen. Now, you can do this as a side hustle. I know quite a few people who are actually making a full-time income doing this type of work online, but I would recommend starting this as a side hustle, and you can start this for completely free. This is brand new to my channel, and you're going to want to watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss out on this awesome strategy using ChatGPT. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you through every single step that you need to know, and I think you're going to be amazed at how easy this method is to actually do. Some of the methods on this channel can be a little bit complicated, but this one is not complicated at all. This is a very short tutorial showing you exactly how you can go and make money with ChatGPT using this simple side hustle. Now, if you don't know what ChatGPT is, don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly where to go to get it and how to use it in this tutorial. So let's jump into this tutorial, and I'm going to show you how to make money online using ChatGPT with this very simple but effective side hustle. All right, guys, so the first step to this tutorial is we're going to head over to a website called openai.com/blog and then /ChatGPT, or you can just go and Google ChatGPT and it will bring you to this website. And you want to make sure you have an account and then click Try GPT. Now, I'm actually logged in, but when you click Try GPT, it will ask you to create an account or log into your account. Now, this is ChatGPT here. If you don't know what it is, you probably already do, but it's an AI robot that will do tasks for you online. And what we're going to be doing today is asking it to make us something extremely simple that we can use to go ahead and make money online with ChatGPT. And this is an extremely easy way to make money using ChatGPT. So let's get started, and I'll show you exactly what you need to do. Now, keep in mind, this is such an easy method. You can either use it for a side hustle or to make a full-time living online, that this tutorial is not going to be very long. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to a website called Redbubble after you've gone to the ChatGPT website. So you kind of just want to get yourself familiar with ChatGPT if you haven't done so already, and then go to a website called Redbubble.com. Now, on Redbubble, there's lots of things you can go ahead and create and sell on Redbubble. You can create pillows, you can create phone cases, you can create stickers, you can create posters, wall art, and all sorts of different things. Now, you can actually go and create this type of stuff using a AI software called Midjourney, but we want to go and create something without using pictures, because all we want to do is use ChatGPT to actually go ahead and do this. So what we're going to be doing in this video is you can go through Redbubble and you can kind of find some items that you can create without using any type of art, but I've actually found the perfect thing that we can go ahead and create. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going ahead and creating these greeting cards. And you have these different types of categories up here, and I clicked on birthday. So we're going to be making money with these particular things, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this with ChatGPT and go ahead and show you how to get a template and everything. Now, what I've also done is below in the description, you can get a free book showing you how to make money with another method that is extremely similar to this. So you can go ahead and download that free book right now. It is an affiliate book, so I would get a commission if you went ahead and purchased something from this particular book. But you can go ahead and download this for free right now in the description. So let's go back to ChatGPT, and I will show you the first step to actually doing this. What we want to do is we want to go back to ChatGPT over here, and you could do something like write 20 birthday greeting cards. But what I would suggest you do, and there's lots of other different prompts as well, is I would say funny. Put funny in there. Write 20 funny birthday greeting cards, because that's going to give you just something that's a bit more quirky and obviously funny. So it's probably going to sell a lot better instead of just standard birthday greetings. Now, we're going to let ChatGPT do that, and we're going to go back to here. The next thing you want to do is you want to go to a website called Canva.com. I will leave a link below to that as well in the description. And what you can actually do is you can put in birthday greeting cards, and it's going to give you all of these particular greeting cards. Now, what I want to tell you is a little bit of a secret is just pick any greeting card, one that is free. And the reason you want to do this is just pick any one right now, and it's going to take you to a screen that looks like this. It's because what it does is it then goes ahead and shows you other greeting cards on the side that are very similar, because a lot of these ones are just randomly generated cards, and some of them are paid, some of them are not. But what will happen is if you actually pick one, then Canva will go ahead and it will find you the same similar designs, kind of like same shape and stuff like that. And all of these are free. So it's going to show you all of the free ones instead of a mix of both. Now, what we can do is we can go ahead and let's just use this for now. I've actually got one up here that we're going to use later that I actually made, but let's just go ahead and use this right now. Okay, what I can do is I can go back to ChatGPT and I can go ahead and find something here that's kind of quirky and funny. Okay, I kind of like this one. Happy 20th birthday, you're old enough, so you can obviously change the age to whatever you like. We can go back to Canva, and what we can do is I'm going to actually leave age as a number, and I might just put it in here, see what it looks like. So this is pretty cool. So we'll just leave age as a number. Happy 20th birthday, you're old enough to know better, but young enough to do it anyway. That's quite cool. I really like that one. And then what you can actually do is you can go to styles, and there's different things we can add to different types of styles if you like. Or what you can do is you can go to elements, and there's all sorts of different elements you can add. So I could add this like present, right? So that's pretty cool. I can add this present here. We can add these if we want. Just kind of depending on the like age, you know, if it's a younger person, you might want to put something like this in. If it's an older person, probably not going to really want to put something like that in. But you've got all of these things you can add. I literally just added those right now. Okay. Now the next thing I can do, so there's a lot of stuff you can add, like different text. So you can make this glow if you want. You can add different text styles, different sizes, just different everything. There's so many different types of text that you can go ahead and add. You can draw on this if you like, if you're a good drawer. I'm not very good at all. But essentially, I've just gone ahead and created this birthday greeting card within a few minutes of a template. So it says age is just a number, happy 20th birthday, you're now old enough to know better, but young enough to do it anyways. And we used ChatGPT to get 20 different types of greeting card sentences that we can use. Then all you want to do is you want to go to share, and you want to go to download, and you can download this particular one right here, and it's downloading right now. And then I also downloaded this one before as well. All right, so now that we've downloaded the particular template that you've created, now these are extremely easy to create using Canva, so you can go ahead and use these, and you can do Easter greeting cards, birthday, anything you want on Canva. You might be asking yourself, well, how do you actually get them uploaded to Redbubble? What you can do is you can use a software or website called Printful.com. So if you go to Printful.com, and what you can do is you can actually use this as a print-on-demand service and connect it to Redbubble. And what happens is you can go ahead and upload your greeting card design, and they will do all the work for you and send everything out, so you don't actually have to create the card. Let me show you exactly how you can do that right now. So this is very easy to do. I'm logged into my account on Printful. All you have to do is go ahead onto Printful, and in the search bar, search greeting cards, and it's going to give you this page right here. And all you need to do is go create product template. And what this is going to do is it's going to take you to the create product template page where you create your template for your greeting cards. Let me just upload one right now. All right, so as you can see, I've gone ahead and uploaded the particular greeting card. Now this is the front, and then we have the inside, which would be nothing. So people could write stuff in there, or you could put something on the inside as well. Then we have the back, which has nothing as well, but you could go ahead and put your own design. But on the front, this is what our greeting card looks like. And what we can do is we can go ahead and go mock-up view, and it should show us some type of mock-up. I'm not 100% sure what it's going to look like. There we go. So there's our mock-up. It looks really, really good. I would recommend putting something on the back. What I would probably do is maybe go back to here, and you can just take off the text, and you can just put some, like maybe double up do the same design on the back. But there you go. We have gone ahead and created, oh, this one looks really, really good. So you can actually use these mock-up images to go ahead and upload them onto redbubble.com. This one looks really good as well. But as you can see, we just used ChatGPT to go ahead and create these. Now, it would cost me $4 to $5.25 for me to go ahead and get these done through this particular website, NZ dollars, so half that for US dollars, so around about $2 US dollars to make these. I could go sell them for $3, $4, $5, $6 if I want on Redbubble. So that's exactly how you go ahead and make them, and then you go to continue, and then you just go got it, and it'll go ahead and create that design for you, and it'll be ready for you to go, and you can go ahead and create a template and stuff like that. Now, the next step is all you want to do is you want to go back to Printful and you want to go ahead and get your Redbubble account. I don't have one right now. Sign up to Redbubble, go ahead and create your store, link your Printful account. So link this printful.com account to your Redbubble store, and then go ahead and upload that greeting card to your Redbubble store, and you can go ahead and start selling these greeting cards online. And if you actually look at the top, you have different types of greeting card niches that you could jump into, like quotes, Father's Day, Mother's Day, happy, party, all sorts of different ones. And then we also have humor as well and things like that. Quotes would be a real good one because quotes are really simple to do. You don't need artwork or anything like that. And remember, guys, we have a free book below that you can go and click right now that shows you exactly how to make money doing a similar method to this. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.